Hello there, it's great to see you. What a fantastic occasion this has been here in Kilsyth on the Cumbernauld cycle route, looking on to the gorgeous canal behind me. We're here obviously for the Chain of Freedom event, and by goodness, has that not put Scotland back on the international map? There are people here from New Zealand who've been tweeting out about the hundreds of people who turned up at this part of the chain to show that the yesers have never gone away. It's not about us being back, it's about we've never gone away, and support for independence is clearly now over the 50% mark and rising, as it has continued to do over the course of the last few years. And what we saw today were people came here from all over the place. There's a busload of folk over there from Oban. There's folk from Cumbernauld, just up the road from us. There's others here from Clackmannanshire and from Edinburgh. People from all over Scotland have joined hands in the Chain of Freedom today to show that the Scottish independence movement is alive and thriving. And we know that the unity that was on show here today proves that Scotland United is what the people of Scotland are demanding. There are people here, some elected representatives and some supporters from every independent supporting political party in Scotland. And there are other people here who belong to no political party, united by a common aim and a common purpose, which is that when we have our next electoral event, Scotland will vote for independence, because Scottish independence is the future of our country. We will alleviate poverty, we will eradicate inequality, and we will realise the potential of every Scot when we have our independence next year.